Welcome back to the channel, guys. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and the bell so you get all the notifications when we drop these babies on an almost daily basis. Today, we are going to talk about Enphase again. You might have been waiting for this one because last time we talked about it, it was around here. I believe it was February 2nd or 3rd. This thing was right around $35. I got in. The next day, they had an earnings call and popped to 51. Posted this on YouTube post and maybe X earlier today. On March 17th, I drew a circle here. And as you can see, March 17th was good old St. Patty's Day. We were at 45 a share, and I said it is likely that you will get another bite at the apple on Enphase. I drew a circle here on that day when the price was up here, and I kind of drew this arbitrary trend line to be where I expected the price to come back down. And wouldn't you know it, I don't always know how I do these things. It just made sense. I looked at everything. I looked at the chart. I looked at all the information provided to me, and I said, you know what, Enphase, I think we're gonna get an opportunity to buy here. So I have not bought yet. So let's see why I didn't buy today. I wanted Enphase when it came back down to the 618 fib level. That's $36.15. So let's say I had set an order and got in at $36.15. Close enough, right? Now I would already be up 4.42%. I don't want to chase. I'm hoping that it's going to spend a little bit more time down here. And I am planning to buy. Honestly, wouldn't be real shocked if it just kind of chopped sideways for a couple days and came down and tagged this line again. So I might set an order for 35. What's the absolute bottom here? 35.21. Yeah, I might set an order for like 35 and a quarter. So I'll set an order there and probably come back and grab it because this is the one I do want a lot more of. You can see where it was. You see we got all the gap fills up here. Because I drew a lot of this stuff arbitrarily, it is entirely possible that Enphase comes all the way back down to the 786 and does something that looks a little more like that and makes a lower high there. But at some point should be making a lower high. You've also got to take this into consideration. This level here, it's sort of playing into a little wedge pattern. That's what I would give it. I wouldn't go down to this one. It is doing a wedge pattern as well there. So if it holds this, if it busts out of here, you're going to get some pretty serious upward movement. I mean, if it really takes its sweet time, by summer. But stocks are totally one to do that. So I wouldn't FOMO into this thing today or anything. I want to see how this plays out. I want to see it break, I want to see it hold support here. If it holds the 618, then I want to watch for it to break out of this wedge, probably do a retrace, something along these lines. And then, you got your Enphase position. I like this thing real long term. Like I said, I work with this company's products, and they are the gold standard in the solar industry, especially for microinverters in the residential solar industry. They've made improvements in their batteries, EV charging. I was just in a webinar on EV charging with Enphase the other day. They're doing commercial inverters now. This company is set up for success. I believe they're wildly undervalued down here. I think they were overvalued up here. But for them to be roughly 88% off their high and doing what they're doing as far as quality, stability, we have no complaints about their products. They're passing all the smell tests, checking all the boxes, however you want to call it. So Enphase, I like it here. I'm looking to accumulate. You know what I'm looking for? I want it to hold a level like this. I want it to hold one of these supports, or, God forbid if it gets back down here, I want it to hold the 786, and I am a buyer. I'm going to start DCAing here. I want to see another downward move there, and I want to start DCAing in right around here. And then I think we're honestly off to the races for Enphase Energy, ticker ENPH. So guys, if you got value out of this video, go ahead and hit that like button. Make sure you're subscribed to the channel and hit the bell so you get all the notifications when we drop these things on an almost daily basis. If anything worth knowing happens in the market, I want you to know it. Till next time, take care.